Okay, so here's the beginning of my angular drawing. So what I've done is I've taken that first envelope and again broken it down into the next sort of series of important angles. So, you know, from this line here, I saw that, well, it comes down and it breaks over. And then back here, it breaks down and then in, and then down this way. So looking at all of those major divisions, and again, a lot of changes here. I probably moved the feet, you know, in the course of the 5 minutes I worked on it, I'd probably moved the feet 10 times at least, you know, like pulling them backwards. So each of these, each of these shapes that I create, so like this shape in here, with this shape in here, this also has a particular character to it, like this shaded area in here. So that's called a negative shape, or this shape in here. So that's called a negative shape. So those are shapes that I'm also kind of looking at up there and seeing if they're corresponding to my drawing. So as this develops, are my little negative shapes in between the positive shapes, which is the figure, are those little shapes developing in terms of height versus width as well. I'm taking a lot of horizontals here. I want to see how the elbow lined up with the back. So putting up a horizontal. I'm trying to see, also with verticals, trying to see, again, like where, if I take a line down from the rear, where's it fall relative to this? If I take a line from the, this is what I was really struggling with here, is getting those feet underneath the figure enough. So taking a vertical with my plumb line and seeing exactly where the heel was relative to this upper part, I saw that I had this stuff out way too far forward. I need to pull it under. You could take a vertical from the toes, take a vertical from the knees up and see how it relates to this stuff above it. So again, the idea of the things that are upper, like high up and low down, making sure that you're relating them like through a vertical. And you know, maybe you start with this tool, but then maybe eventually you just see that in your eye. You get that in your eye, and you can make a lot of these adjustments just by looking for those verticals or horizontals. And you don't actually have to put a tool up every time. But there may be some times when you still go back to the tool. So again, keeping everything very simple at this point still. So this is kind of an early angular drawing. I haven't really kind of broken it down into something that that I would add light and shade to, say. But this is like yeah, kind of a first step angular drawing.